we'll talk through this. So I'm going back to my document. So I'm sharing that document. Right, this is the 2113 consultation draft temp. So let's find, here's the style. So let's go to the Home tab. If I've clicked my cursor in the word introduction, and at the top you see the word heading 1 is now in blue. If I click the next thing down, the consultation questions, now the blue box is around the word num-normal, because that's telling me that this entire paragraph is in the num-normal style. And as I said, styles are totally sort of configurable. So if I change this style, modify this style, so it's in num-normal, and I change the format, and I change the font, and instead of Arial, let's find something weird like Wingdings. Right, I change the font of the temp style, the normal style, to Wingdings, and click on OK. Every bit of text that was of the normal style has changed its font. You don't have to do it paragraph by paragraph. The introduction didn't change because that's in the heading 1 style. So that's how you modify a style. Admittedly, you never want to do something quite that crazy. And let's change it back so we can actually see the document again. So modify the style, change the font from Wingdings back to my favorite font, which is really boring, but everybody has it, which is Arial. Right, so that's how you change style. And you can do anything you want to style, because if you look at the modify choices, they're massive. You know, you can change how it's paragraph, you can change whether it's numbered, you can change the text effects, you can use drop shadows, you can do anything you want to a style, and that's how you do it. And that's also how you know what style you're in, because Word always tells you.
So the style definitions are applied just to that document? In other words, if you change style number 2, does that change everything you subsequently?
Right, the answer to that is given by this radio button. You have 2 choices when you're changing styles. The default tends to be change only in this document. So I changed the normal style to Wingdings, okay. And if I'd left it like that, it would only have affected this document. It wouldn't have affected the rest of my computer. If, on the other hand, I changed it to this one, the Word has something called templates. Normally, my word configuration, I checked on the templates. I have to reinstall my whole computer. This computer had to be reset last week. It's been sick. I didn't use it for 15 months because I was in Manchester. And when I came back, not only did I have to update it for 15 months worth of updates, but in between, they decided to become so sick that it had to be basically, all the programs had to be reinstalled. So there is a template called normal dot, and that controls all your Word documents. And there's another template for normal email, I think, which controls your draft emails. And you don't really want to change your style to affect that template unless you're serious. I mean, I might do it at some stage to make sure I've got the normal style in my template, or I'll copy it in. But the normal thing is that you will only be changing your style in this document, and that's the button that controls it.